Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to analyze disk space with WizTree step by step. If you're wondering what's taking up storage on your Windows computer, WizTree is one of the fastest tools available for finding large files and folders. So let's get started. First, open WizTree on your computer. If Windows asks for administrator permission, click Yes to give the application full access to scan your drives. Once the program opens, select the drive you want to analyze from the drop-down menu at the top of the window. Next, click the Scan button and wait for the scan to finish. WizTree usually completes the scan in just a few seconds, even on large drives, allowing you to see your storage usage almost instantly. After the scan is complete, explore the tree view, where folders are organized by the amount of disk space they use. Expand any folder to see its subfolders and quickly identify which locations are using the most storage. You can also switch to the File View tab to see every file on the drive and sort the list by size, name, or other details. Another powerful feature is the tree map at the bottom of the window. Each colored block represents a file, and the larger the block, the more storage that file uses. Clicking a block will highlight the corresponding file, making it easy to locate large items. Use the information from the scan to decide which files or folders can be moved, backed up, or safely deleted to free up space. Just be careful not to remove important system files or files required by installed applications. And that's it. You now know how to analyze disk space with WizTree and identify what's using your storage. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.